So yesterday we used symbols to compare two different quantities. I want to see if you remember the name of these symbols. So I'm going to write down a symbol and I want you to call out the name of the symbol. What symbol is this? Yes, greater than. Good job. What symbol is this? Equal to. And what symbol is this? Less than. So you have to be careful and you have to check which way the alligator mouth is pointing so that you name the correct symbol. I know sometimes it's tempting if you have this number to say 10 is greater than 6, but you have to read left to right. So in this case, 6 is less than 10. Just to review, remember this symbol is greater than, equal to, and less than. Today we are going to continue comparing two quantities using these symbols. So I'm going to give you two numbers and you're going to help me to figure out which of these symbols I need to use to compare those two numbers. Are you ready? Here is my first set of numbers. The first number is 37 and 28. First, stop and think, which number is greater? 37. 37 is greater. Which symbol would I use to show 37 is greater than 28? Go ahead and draw it out with your finger. I would draw it like this, right? Let me go ahead and draw it in. 37, I see that the alligator is trying to eat the bigger number. 37 is greater than 28. How do you know that 37 is greater than 28? I heard someone say that 37 is bigger. Yeah, you're correct, but how do you know? You have to be able to explain. One way that we could explain that 37 is greater than 28, not just by saying because it's bigger, is that we could look at the tens place and the ones place. If we look at the ones place, we see that 7 is bigger than 8, but we have to focus on the tens place. 3 is bigger than 2, so we know that 3 has more tens than 2. Another way that we could show this is by taking out our place value chart and looking for those two numbers. Let's find 37 and circle that number, and let's find 38 and look at that number. So our 100s chart shows us that 28 comes first and then comes 37. We could once again look at the ones place and the tens place to see which number is bigger. If you have a place value chart at home, you can use this to help you find which number is greater than. You can also make a 100s chart if you don't have one at home. Let's try a new problem. Ready? $15 and 23. Stop and think which number is greater than. Oh, I heard some of you say it. 23. 23 is greater than 15. How can we show that? Which symbol would we use? Go ahead and draw it out. Did you choose this one? Yeah. 15 is less than 23. Let me go ahead and write that out. 15 is less than 23. The alligator is facing the bigger number. Today, for your problem set, you will continue working with our symbols and comparing two different quantities. Let's go to our problem set and do a couple problems together before you do them on your own. Ready? Here's the first problem. Use the symbols to compare the numbers. Fill in the blank with less than, greater than, or equal to make a true number sentence. Read the number sentences from left to right. Very important. And they give you some examples here. 40 is greater than 20. 18 is less than 20. Let's look at the first problem, 27 and 24. 27 is greater than 24. Good. If you want to challenge yourself, you can even write it down at the bottom. 27 is greater than. You will do the rest by yourself. For the second problem, circle the correct words to make the number sentence true. Now we're looking at the words. Use greater than, less than, or equal to, and the numbers to write a number sentence that is true. The first one is done for you, so let's take a look. 36, is it greater than 3 10s and 6 1s? Less than or equal to? And they already did it for us. It is equal to. 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 6 1s is the number 36. So these two are equal to. Poor alligator can eat. Let's try B. 1 10 and 4 1s. What is 1 10 and 4 1s? What number does that equal to? 14. 14, is it greater than 17? Less than 17 or equal to 17? 14 is less than 17 because remember we read it from left to right. 14 is, I see the L, less than 17. I have to write it out now. 14 is, what way will the alligator go? Less than 17. All right, Bruins and Highlanders, now it's your turn. Go ahead and complete the rest of the problem set by yourself. Don't forget to send us pictures of your work.